what's cool is that even if you have switched to another video, you can still go back and... Hello guys! And welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can cure your tab how you can cure your tab overload. So, have you having been problem with organizing your tabs? It's quite annoying that you have a lot of tabs open and you just don't know what to do. But luckily and fortunately, it's just the same words, different synonyms. I don't know why I said it again and again. Arc Browser has a solution for that. And not only just one solution, but actually two solutions. Or three if we count the third one as a solution, even more like just a tip. But you'll see. Alright, so here I am currently on my Arc Browser. And then you can also open lots of tabs, like unconnected tabs, like the hotb.org website. And you're like, wait a minute, these aren't organized. It doesn't look like they have the same team or are even the same... deserve to be in the same... are even deserving to be in the same space as each other. That's actually what I want to show you today. I want to teach you about spaces. Let's say in this space, you just want to be entertained. This is your space for all YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, everything entertainment related. But you also want a space that is for your important stuff, your work related stuff, your school related stuff, and I'll show you how you can do that. Alright, so here I am. Let's say we want to create a space for our entertainment, a space for our personal stuff, a space for our news reading, and a space for our work related stuff. All you need to do is head here on the bottom left corner of your screen, click on add and click on new space. It's a sort of new window that is still in the same application, in the same window. So basically you're not opening a new window. You could say it's a window inside of a window, but let's name this something like entertainment. Just click, remain the same profile. I want to add a color to this one to make it more entertaining. Let's say it's yellow, bright yellow. Actually, not yellow. Click on create space, and you should have your new space. This is the default space. It's called an unknown space right now. I don't know why. This is our entertainment. Now this is where we can add our entertainment stuff like YouTube or the HOTV again. And then we can also add another space for our work related stuff. And we have our work related space now. You can just click on each of these to switch. So this is still only in the same window, but you have different tabs that acts as different browsers, if you know what I mean. So another thing that you can do is you can add pin tabs. For instance, like here, these are pin tabs in our default browser. I have here imported from Opera GX. These were imported from Opera GX when I was installing the application, so these are also called bookmarks if you want to call it like that. But Arc Browser called them pin tabs. So for instance, let's say we want to add a new folder here, favorite YouTube videos. What you can do is, let's say you find a favorite video, like for example this Godzilla -1 ending explain. What you just need to do is you can just drag this into the folder and it should be there in your favorite YouTube videos. Let's say you want to add another video, you can just go again to YouTube, find another video, let's say this one, the beanie, and then just drag it again to the folder, and now you have your favorite YouTube videos. But up to you. You can also add another folder or anything else. And what's cool about pin tabs here is that, let's say you want to switch to another video like this one. What's cool is that even if you have switched to another video, you can still go back and the tab that you pinned earlier will still be the same or saved nevertheless and you can go back by just clicking on the logo here and you're back to the pin URL, so it will be saved. And let's go for another one. Oh, I forgot to mention it will still keep playing in the background. Yes, that's Arc. All right, let's say your work-related stuff has something to do with like Google Docs, and yeah, that's it. That is how you can make sure to get rid of your tab overload. So you have your entertainment, you have the default, you have your work-related stuff, work with your pen tabs, work with the spaces. It's up to you. Make your life more organized. And another last tip that I can give you is by pressing Control T, and this opens up some sort of search bar, and you can just search something that you have in your pin tabs, and you can be directed immediately to it. And as you can see here, that already here in the suggested, we have our pin tabs already shown here at the top. So if you click on this, you're gonna be sent to the space that you have saved and to the same pin tab that you have saved. And that's it. That is how you can cure your tab overload. So I could say that Arc browser is really much more convenient and organized compared to other browsers. But I haven't really used it that much, so I can't say for certain if the performance will be much better than the other browsers. I'm just gonna remain neutral. But what I can say is, as an organized person or a person that wants to be more organized in their lives, Arc browser is the right answer. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.